Really quickly, I want to go through the instructions for saving and uploading a file to your web server and then viewing it in your web browser. This is a pretty typical cycle of things you do as a web designer so that you can test out your pages in a real-world scenario. You want to see what they look like when they're downloaded from a web server and they're viewed inside a web browser, because that's what your users are going to do. So for example, this A1 file, this assignment 1, I've completed my code. Now it's time to upload it to the web server. The easiest way to do this is to right click or control click if you're on a Mac, and then go down to deployment and then choose upload to learn HTML/CSS.net. You can see here in the lower left hand corner it says that the transfer is completed, and now my file is on the web server. So what I do next is go to my web browser, and I need to type the address for the web page, and it's learn HTML/CSS.net, and then my username, which is B Mosley, and then a1.html, which is the name of that file that I just uploaded. And when I hit that, you can see it displays in my web browser. Now, if I want to make any changes to that web page, let's say, so it says hello Bill instead of hello world, I have to repeat that process. So I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to upload it again. And then when I reload that page, oops, I changed the wrong part of it. I changed the title, which you can see up here. It says hello Bill, but if I want to change the text, that's down here. So save that and upload it. And then I refresh that and it says hello Bill, and also hello Bill here in the title of the page. So you can see each time you make a change to a web page, you need to upload it again, because whatever copy on your computer is the one you change, and then the copy on the web server needs to be replaced by the new version. So when I want to submit this assignment, I'm going to actually select this URL and copy it. And then when I go to the page in Canvas where I want to submit that page or submit that assignment, I can just paste that URL in, and that's how I submit the assignment in Canvas. So that's how you upload a web page and view it in a web browser.